Hi and welcome back to Healing Gems. Thank you for joining me again today. Okay, so today we are going to do a video on when healing feels hopeless. When you have got to that stage where you think you've tried everything, nothing seems to be working, you feel very stuck in the situation that you are in, and you've literally just got to the point where you feel helpless, you feel hopeless, and you don't know what else to do. You know, there's a lot of despair that is coming up. So we're going to do some tapping to try and clear this energy and bring our body back into a more calmer and more relaxed, centered way of being and thinking and feeling. Okay, so just close your eyes. Take a nice deep breath in and out for me. Allow the shoulders to soften. Allow your rib cage to relax. A couple more deep breaths in and out. Allow that out breath to be longer and slow. And one more in your own time. And as you breathe out, just allowing that body to really soften, allowing that body to really just start to relax. And even just doing 3 little breaths like this can make a big difference. Okay, so tapping on the side of the hand. Even though healing just feels hopeless right now, I don't think I'm ever going to get better. I feel stuck. I don't know what else to do. Nothing's working. I just feel hopeless. I just feel all this despair. And you can say where you feel it in your body. You know, you might feel it in your stomach, you might feel it in your chest, you might feel it in your shoulders and your head, wherever you feel it the most. So all this despair that I'm never going to get better. I choose to soften my body a little bit. Allow that I'm thinking like this. Accept that I'm thinking like this and feeling like this for now. And I'm open to something new. To tap in on the points. All this despair. All of this despair. Healing just feels so hopeless right now. It feels like I'm trying to organise a trip to Mars or something. That it's never going to happen. That it's bloody impossible. That I don't know how to do it. And no one's done it before. That's how I'm feeling right now. I just feel I try so hard and things don't change. All I want to do is be normal and live a normal life. And none of that seems within my reach right now. None of that seems within my grasp right now. I just feel awful. I feel sad. I feel despair. I feel angry at the situation. I feel highly frustrated that nothing is changing. I feel that I can't do this anymore. I feel like I'm stuck on this hamster wheel going round and round and round, or at least a roller coaster where there's so many ups and downs and it's so hard to navigate and it's so difficult to cope. And everyone tells me to be positive, everyone tells me to, you know, things will change and things will pass, but I don't see that happening. Everything just feels hopeless right now. Everything feels so final right now that this is the way my whole life is going to be forever. Deep breath in and out. But maybe there could be a crack of light. Maybe there could be some hope around the corner. Maybe yes, I do feel pretty shitty right now, and I do feel pretty hopeless right now, and I do feel like things aren't changing. If I really look at it, if I really analyse the situation, is that the case? Because maybe there are changes happening that I'm not giving any credit to. Maybe there have been some moments of feeling good, even if that was just for a minute. Maybe there have been moments where I felt more like me, where I was capable of doing a little bit more. Maybe there have been moments like that and I've just not recognized them because everything else has been so bad. All I can think about is what I can't do instead of what I can do. So maybe right now I can start to be grateful for the things that I can achieve and do in a day. Okay, it might not be much, but there are some things I can do. And if I was truly hopeless, if I was truly in utter despair and have given up completely, I wouldn't be here doing this video right now. I wouldn't be here tapping right now to change my thoughts and change my nervous system state. I wouldn't be doing any of that if I'd completely given up. So there is a part of me, even if it's small, that has hope, that has the willpower to keep going, that has the conviction to do this. There's a part of me that knows I can get out of this. There's part of me that knows it is possible. Otherwise, why would I be bothering watching this and doing this? So, even though things are pretty shit right now, and I feel pretty shitty, and my body's not doing what I want it to do, and I feel completely out of control, and I don't really have a lot of say in what I can and can't do every day, I choose to know things are changing. I choose to know that I am capable of making changes by doing things like tapping, by doing things like acknowledging my emotions, by doing things like meditating and resting my body and my brain. I choose to know that things can change. And okay, it might not be an overnight change, but things can change. And I guess I just have to accept that with chronic fatigue, there are ups and downs. You know, there's going to be moments where I am feeling like I'm improving and getting better. And then I'm going to have downs. I'm going to have a dip. I'm going to have a change in my health, which is more negative than what I would like. But I have to remember that is the way out. Because slowly I build my energy. Slowly I build my resources. And yes, I am going to overdo it. And that's when we have a crash or a dip or whatever you want to call it. But then when I come out the other side, I come out stronger. So if I know that this is the pattern that I have to follow and that this is the healing way out, then maybe the crashes and the dips don't feel so bad, because I know at the other end of it, I'm going to feel stronger. I'm going to feel lighter, and I'm going to have that little bit more energy again. So I know it's not nice going through that time and time again, and it gets repetitive and it gets hard on the soul. It does. It gets hard to take it. But if I can just stand my ground, hold my nerve, accept when I am having a bad day, that, okay, this is a bad day, but it's going to pass. I'm going to be all right. So I choose to open up to feel in a different way. I choose to relax in my body slightly and breathe in slowly. I open up to creating an environment where I feel safe, even on a bad day. And I choose to relax my body. I choose to relax my body. I choose to soften and relax and just feel a little bit more at ease in myself. I choose to breathe and know that I have got this. And tap by tap, I get better and better and better. Deep breath in and out. Let it all out. Okay, so I hope you feel a little bit lighter after doing that, and hopefully you've gone from, like, you know, this real sort of hopeless despair kind of feelings and heavy energy into something a little bit more lighter. If maybe the symptoms got worse, then go back to the video and start again. Sometimes that can happen, but do it again, and then the energy will start to change, and you eventually will start to feel lighter on the other side. Okay, so please help me to get my numbers up. So please subscribe. If I can get 1,000 people and over, it means that I can get rid of the ads on meditations and things like that. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it with anyone else that needs this kind of help. Namaste.